अस्सलाम वालेकुम अज़ीज़ तलबा, उम्मीद करता हूँ आप खैरियत से होंगे। आज हम फ़र्स्ट ईयर की फ़िज़िक्स के कुछ लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन आपके सामने लेकर आए हैं, जिसके अंदर न्यूमेरिकल भी होंगे और लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस भी होंगे। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि इन्हीं लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन में से आपका पेपर आएगा। सबसे पहले आता है जी 10 ब्रिक्स ईच 6.0 सेंटीमीटर थिक एंड मैस 1.5 kg लाई फ्लैट ऑन अ टेबल। हाउ मच वर्क इज़ रिक्वायर्ड टू स्टैक देम वन ऑन द टॉप ऑफ द अनदर। अगला न्यूमेरिकल है जी 1000 किलोग्राम ऑटोमोबाइल एट द टॉप ऑफ एन इंक्लाइन 100 मीटर हाई एंड 100 मीटर लॉन्ग इज रेज्ड एंड रोल्ड डाउन द हिल्स। व्हाट इज इट्स स्पीड एट द बॉटम ऑफ द इंक्लाइन इफ द एवरेज रिटार्डिंग फोर्स ड्यू टू द फ्रिक्शन इज 480 न्यूटन। उससे अगला न्यूमेरिकल अगर हम लेते हैं तो अ डाइवर वेइंग 750 न्यूटन डाइव फ्रॉम अबाउट 10 meter above the surface of the pool of water use the conservation of mechanical energy to find his speed at 0.5.0 meter above the water surface neglecting friction। उसके बाद क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 है explain the inter conversion of potential energy and kinetic energy। उससे अगला क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 है define absolute gravitational potential, derive the expression for the absolute value of gravitational potential energy for a body at the distance r from the center ऑफ द अर्थ। इसके बाद आगे चलते हैं जी। अगला क्वेश्चन अगर आप गौर से देखें तो वो क्वेश्चन है अ स्टेशनरी वेव इज एस्टैब्लिश्ड इन अ स्ट्रिंग विच इज 120 सेंटीमीटर लॉन्ग एंड फिक्स्ड एट द बॉटम एंड द स्ट्रिंग वाइब्रेट इन 4 सेगमेंट्स एट द फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ 120 हर्ट्ज। डिटरमाइन इट्स वेव लेंथ एंड द फंडामेंटल फ्रीक्वेंसी। अगला सवाल अगर देखें तो फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ द नोट emitted by a stretch string is 300 hertz. What will be the frequency of this note when a length of the wave is reduced by 1/3 without changing the tension? बी है टेंशन इज़ इंक्रीज्ड बाय 1/3 विदाउट चेंजिंग द लेंथ ऑफ द वायर। उसके बाद आगे चलते हैं जी। अगला न्यूमेरिकल है हमारे पास कहता है जी ऑर्गन पाइप हैज़ अ लेंथ ऑफ 550 सेंटीमीटर। फाइंड द फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ इट्स फंडामेंटल नोट एंड द नेक्स्ट हार्मोनिक व्हेन इट इज़ ओपन एट द बोथ एंड और नंबर 2 क्लोज्ड एट वन एंड। उसके बाद क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 देखें डिस्कस इफेक्ट द टेम्परेचर ऑन द स्पीड ऑफ साउंड। आल्सो प्रूव दैट वीट इज इक्वल टू v नॉट प्लस 0.61 t। उसके बाद राइट डाउन द न्यूटन्स फार्मूला ऑफ स्पीड साउंड इन एयर। एक्सप्लेन लैप्लेस करेक्शंस बाय डिराइविंग द रिलेशन फॉर द स्पीड ऑफ द साउंड इन एयर। उसके बाद है डिफाइन ड्रॉपलर इफेक्ट, derive the apparent frequency if a observer moves toward the source। b है observer move away from the source। explain the interference, find the conditions for one constructive interference or destructive interference। what is the drawback of Newton's formula for the speed of the sound and how this was corrected by the Laplace। derive the Laplace expressions for the speed of the sound and also find the value of speed of the sound by using expression। अब अगला क्वेश्चन अगर हम देखें तो हमारे पास है a disk is a loop start moving down from the top of the inclined plane at the same time। which one will be the moving faster on reaching the bottom। उससे आगे है a tiny laser beam is directed from the earth to the moon if the beam is to have diameters of 2.50 meter at the moon। how small must divergence angle be for the beam and the distance of moon from the earth is 3.8 multiplied 10 raised to power 8 meter। calculate the angular momentum of the star of mass 2.0 multiplied 10 raised to power 30 kg and radius 7 multiplied 10 raised to power 5 kilometer if it make one complete rotation about its axis once in 20 days। what is the kinetic energy and explain the artificial gravity। derive the F is equal to 1 over 2 pi g over r under root। define artificial satellite। explain that how real and apparent weight in the elevator for the seas for the cases is related। define the rotational kinetic energy। also derive the formula for the rotational kinetic energy of disk and hoop coming down the inclined plane। define rotational kinetic energy। show that the disk will be moving faster than a hoop on reaching the bottom of an inclined plane when thrown at the same time। calculate the angular momentum of the star of mass 2.0 multiplied 10 raised to power 30 kilogram and radius 7.0 10 raised to power 5 kilometer if if it make one complete rotations about its axis, one in 20 days, what is the kinetic energy? What are the geostationary satellite? Derive the relations for the radius of geostationary orbit. उसके बाद next question है जी, certain globular protein particle has a density 1246 kilogram per meter cube. It fall through the pure water with the terminal speed of 3.0 meter per centimeter per hour. Find the radius of the particle. Water is flowing smoothly through a closed pipe system. At one point the speed of the water is 3.0 meter per second, while at the another point 3.0 meter higher the speed 4 meter per second. If the pressure is 80 kilopascal at the lower point, what is the pressure at the upper point? Next question है जी, the radius of the aorta is about 1 centimeter and blood flowing through it has speed about 30 centimeter per second. Calculate the average speed of the blood in a capillary using the fact that although each capillary has the diameter of about 8 multiplied 10 raised to power minus 4 centimeter, there are literally millions of them, so that their total cross section is about 2000 centimeter square. Define Stokes law and show that the terminal velocity is directly proportional to the square of the radius of the object. State and prove the Bernoulli's equation in dynamic fluid that relates the pressure to the fluid speed at height. State the derived equation continuity A1 V1 is equal to A2 V2. Next question है जी, explain the relations between total energy, potential energy, kinetic energy for the body oscillating with simple harmonic motion. Next question की तरफ जाते हैं जी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन भी इसका बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है, वो है जी लोड ऑफ 15 ग्राम elongated spring by the 2 centimeter. If the body of the mass 294 gram is attached to the spring and is it's set into the vibration with an amplitude of 10.0 centimeter, what will be its period spring constant maximum speed of its vibration? A block of mass 4.0 kilogram is dropped from the height of 0.80 meter on the spring of spring constant K 1960 Newton per meter. Find the maximum distance through which the spring will be the compressed. A car of mass 1300 kg is constructed using the frame supported 4 springs. Each spring has a spring constant 20,000 Newton per meter. If two pupils riding in the car have a combined mass of 160 kg, find the frequency of vibration of the car when if is driven over a pothole in the road. Assume the weight is evenly distributed. Discuss the motion of horizontal mass spring system and also derive the formula for the time period, displacement and velocity. Carnot engines utilize an ideal gas. The source temperatures is 227 Celsius and the sink temperature is 127 Celsius. Find the efficiency of the engines and also find the heat input from the source and heat reject to the sink when 10,000 joule of work is done. Reversible engines work between two temperatures whose difference is 100 centimeter 100 Celsius. If it absorb the 746 joule of the heat from the source and reject 546 joule to the sink, calculate the temperature of the source and sink. A heat engine perform the 100 joules of the work and at the same time reject the 400 joule of heat energy to cool the reservoirs. What is the efficiency of the engine? A Carnot engines whose low temperature reservoirs is at 7 Celsius has an efficiency of 50%. It is desired to increase the efficiency to 70% by how many degrees the temperature of the source is increased. A steam engine has a boiler that operates at 450 Kelvin. The heat change the water to steam which drive the piston. The exhaust temperature of the outside air is about 300 Kelvin. What is the maximum efficiency of this steam engine? फिर कहते हैं define pressure of gas, prove that P is equal to 2/3 and not less than 1/2 mv square greater. Define first law of thermodynamics, explain the isothermal and adiabatic process. फिर उसके बाद है what is the Carnot engines? Heat engines show that the efficiency of Carnot heat engines depend on the temperature of the hot and cold reservoirs. उसके बाद लास्ट पे है जी, डिफाइन मोलर स्पेसिफिक हीट एंड प्रूव दैट Cp माइनस Cv इज इक्वल टू R. डिफाइन एक्सप्लेन एंट्रोपी विद एग्जांपल. डज एंट्रोपी डिक्रीज फ्रॉम द रिवर्सिबल प्रोसेस? व्हाई एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू ऑफ एंट्रोपी कैन नॉट बी डिटरमाइंड. अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है जी, कैलकुलेट द वेवलेंथ ऑफ द लाइट विच एलिमिनेट टू स्लिट्स 0.5 मिलीमीटर अपार्ट द प्रोड्यूस एन इंटरफेरेंस पैटर्न्स ऑन अ स्क्रीन प्लेस 200 सेंटीमीटर अवे फ्रॉम द स्लिट्स. द फर्स्ट ब्राइट फ्रिंज इज ऑब्जर्व्ड एट द डिस्टेंस ऑफ 2.40 मिलीमीटर फ्रॉम द सेंट्रल ब्रिज इमेज. अ मोनोक्रोमेटिक लाइट ऑफ lambda 588 nanometer is allowed to fall on the half silvered glass plate G1 in the Michelson interferometers. If mirror M1 is moved through the 0.233 millimeter, how many fringes will be observed to shift? Blue light of the wavelength 480 nanometer illuminate a different rating. The second order image is formed at an angle of 30 degree from the central image. How many lines in a centimeter of the grating have been ruled? X-rays of the wavelength 0.150 nanometer is observed to undergo a first order reflection at the Bragg angle of 13.3 from a quartz silicon dioxide crystal. What is the interplanar spacing of the reflecting planes in the crystal? Explain the Young's double slit experiment to study the phenomena of interference of light. Explain the Young double slit experiment. Derive the relations of positions of MTH bright and dark fringe from the center of the screen. Describe the diffraction of X-rays by the crystals and derive the Bragg's equation. A conversion lens of the focal length 5 cm is used in magnifying the glass. If the near point of the observer is 25 cm and the lens is held close to the eye, calculate the distance the object from the lens. B कहते हैं जी, the angular magnifications. What is the angular magnification when the final image is formed at infinity? A telescope objective has a focal length 96 cm and diameter 12 cm. Calculate the focal length and minimum diameter of the simple eyepiece lens for use with the telescope. If the linear magnification required is 24 times and all the light transmitted by the objective from the distance point of the telescope. अब नेक्स्ट चलते हैं जी, आखिरी पोर्शन है इसका. कहते हैं कि a point object is placed in the axis of and 3.6 cm from their convex lens of the focal length 3.0 cm. A second thin convex lens of the focal length 16.0 cm is placed coaxial with the first and 26.0 cm from it on the second side away from the object. Find the position of the final image produced by two lenses. फिर कहते हैं compound microscope has the lenses of focal length 1.0 cm and 3.0 cm. An object is placed 1.2 cm from the object lens. If a virtual image is formed 25 cm from the eye, calculate the separation of the lenses and magnification of the instrument. Sodium light of the wavelength 589 nanometer is used to view an object under the microscope. If the aperture of the objective is 0.90 cm, then find the limiting angle of the resolution. Number 2, using the visible light of any wavelength, what is the maximum limit of the resolution for the microscope? Discuss the Michelson's experiments for the determinations of speed light. Or what is the compound microscope? Give the construction, working and derive the expression for the angular expression. और लास्ट हमारे पास जो लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज द एस्ट्रोनॉमिकल टेलीस्कोप? स्केच इट रे डायग्राम, राइट इट्स वर्किंग एंड फाइंड इट्स एंगुलर मैग्निफिकेशन. तो ये लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन थे जिसमें लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन की थ्योरी भी थी और न्यूमेरिकल भी शामिल थे, जो मैंने आपके सामने रखे हैं. उम्मीद करता हूँ कि इससे इंशाअल्लाह अल्लाह के फजल करम से पूरा पेपर आपका हल हो जाएगा. मिलते हैं कल एक नई वीडियो के साथ. तब तक के लिए आप अपने दोस्त मोहम्मद मुर्तज़ा को इजाज़त दीजिए. अल्लाह हाफिज़.